Welcome to SGT Times, bringing stories from campus bursts to major world updates. I'm Aman Shokeen and these are today's top headlines. Uttarakhand rain disrupts road as heavy showers continue across state. Kanwar Yatra goes high-tech with app and medical facilities. PM Modi meets Commonwealth medallists and praises their strong performances. Here's a detailed look at our stories. Intermittent rain and landslides have disrupted 62 roads while several districts remain under heavy rainfall alerts. Here's the full report.
Intermittent rainfall continues across Uttarakhand, disrupting road connectivity in several hilly areas. According to the State Emergency Operations Center, 62 roads have been affected by rain and landslides. The Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert for Dehradun, Bageshwar, Nainital and Champawat, while the other districts remain under yellow alert. Authorities have been asked to stay alert round the clock. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Uttar Pradesh has strengthened Kanwar Yatra arrangements with technology, healthcare and real-time support for devotees. Hear more on the inspiring initiative.
Uttar Pradesh has introduced extensive arrangements for Kanwarias during the Sawan pilgrimage, combining faith with technology. The Kanwar Yatra app provides route maps, temple details, toilets, food and medical facilities, along with emergency assistance. More than 25,000 devotees in Bagpat have used the app. Authorities have also set up 35 health camps and facilities at 20 private hospitals. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We will be back soon. Welcome back. Here what's next in the news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met India's Commonwealth medalists and congratulated them for making the country proud. Let's take a look.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi met members of India's Commonwealth Games contingent and praised their performances. During the interaction, he congratulated the athletes for their achievements and contribution to the country. Boxer Sakshi Chaudhary, who won gold in the women's 51 kg category, was among the athletes present. India finished the games with 39 medals, including 13 gold, highlighting a strong campaign. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. You are watching SGT Times, an initiative by the School of Emerging Media, Communication and Film Studies. Thank you for joining us. Stay informed and see you again with more updates.